not attempt to adjust your TV screen. I am on the water, and it's been a very long time. Not really. If you watch my videos, you know what happened to me on Saturday. I am on the California Delta. It is much later in the day. It is like 5 p.m. right now. And the reason why I came out here so late is because we've been having these really big, like close to supermoons at night. And my logic is they're feeding at night. So I'm not going to come out in the morning. It's pretty calm. There's a light breeze, tons of vegetation. Spoke to some guys at the ramp and some guys on the water and said it's been a tough day, but they've been fishing during the day. So I'm kind of hoping for that night bite. Let's see what happens. Okay. Nice and calm day on the California Delta. You would think it's a weekend with how many boats are here. I think people are getting a little sick and tired of the quarantine. I have a Zoom speed worm tied on. I literally just started throwing it because I just got out here and I missed a bite already. I don't know if the guys that were fishing earlier just were dealing with the fact that the fish gorged themselves because of the moon or whatever, but hopefully I'll be able to get on a decent bite. And I probably would say that would happen in an hour, just because the sun will really start turning. It's 5 o'clock right now. The good thing about these speed worms is you can kind of work them fast because that tail kicks so much in the back. Oh. Very large part of me wants to tie on top water like a whopper plopper right now, just run it all down here. I just think it's too early still, but I'll definitely come back. I should have brought 2 top water rods with me instead of 2 moving bait rods. Oh, that's right, I don't have 2 top water rods anymore because the other one broke. And on that note, I have been seriously considering doing a whole gear overhaul for my fishing and getting all new rods and reels. Leave a comment down below on what you think I should get. I am leaning towards Shimano reels, specifically the DC models. And I wouldn't sell everything all at once, not unless someone wanted to buy everything all at once, but I have all Concept A's and this Sport Z from 13, and the rods would go too. And I probably would go back to a Fenwick HMG rod and get a bunch of those because I just love those rods. But let me know. Leave a comment down below. What do you think I should do if I do something like that? Food for thought. There's a fish. It is a good fish. Oh my gosh. Freaking got a fish. Oh, thank God. Easy, 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 easy. Easy, 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 easy. All right. Oh my God, it's my first decent fish of the year. Did not even feel her bite. Whew. Sweet. Haha! All right. Nice. It's probably 2.5 pounds. She ate that thing, that's for sure. Should I get one more thing out of you? Okay. She's got leeches, which sucks. But that right there is a decent fish. Let's let her go. Bye-bye. Not skunked. All right, got one in the boat, and I'm gonna go back to the other side. Whoa, whoa, what are you guys doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is this guy doing? What are you doing? Is there a duckling over here? Is she hurt? Uh-oh, I think she lost a baby duckling. Anyway, as I was saying, that was the strangest thing ever. I'm gonna go over here, the side that I came down, and just go back up. She's missing a duckling. Fish. Good fish. Yeah, nothing awesome. Still fish. If you calm down, let's try not to ruin this spot. All right, 2 fish for the day. Oh my gosh, I am on a roll. So I'm gonna call it right now. I kind of have to get off the water to go home and take care of something, so I can't fish as late as I'd like to. 4 hours, not even 3.5 hours on the water, 2 fish. I'll take that any day. I got to kind of get into a pattern and a habit to get out here more, or at least get on water more. So not a bad day. I wouldn't consider this a loss. I actually consider it a win. So I'm going to say goodbye, and hopefully you'll watch this and like it. Talk to you soon. Bye.